Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ofiusiana. I'm from the class Madrasah Ibtidaiyah Teacher Education C. So, here I will review a journal with the title Implementing Textual Teaching and Learning. Number 1, Article Information. Title, Implementing Contextual Teaching and Learning Models in Islamic Religious Education Learning. Authors, Bahrul Ulum and Imam Shafi'i. Source, Academicius, Journal of Teaching and Learning, Volume 1, Issue 1, Paper 45 until 53. Date of publication, September 2022. Number 2, Introduction. The learning model is one of the components that influence the learning activities of students. Learning model must also be adapted to the uniqueness of students to increase the abilities to the maximum. PI learning, which is the science of worship, of course, is not only limited to the theory given but also connect the material present with the surrounding environment and the real world situation of student without it can give birth to a scientific attitude toward PAI concept. To help students understand PAI concept, a learning model that directly connect learning materials with student real experience in everyday life is needed, namely the Textual Teaching and Learning or CTL learning model. The CTL approach in a method used with the aim that learning is more developed and meaningful. With students invited to work and experience, students with AC understand the concept of material, and later students are expected to be able to use the power of reasons to solve exciting problems. Several studies related to the use of the CTL model in learning and the description of its impact on learning outcomes among those conduction by found that CTL learning can increase learning activities and maintain students' memory power of the subject matter that has been studied in science learning. Research conduction by Dewi Ratnasari show that the implementation of learning using the CTL approach can make it easier for students to master concept and interaction skill than the conventional approach. The purpose of this article was to analyze the planning, implementation, and supporting and inhibiting factors in the implementation of the contextual teaching and learning or CTL learning model in PI learning at Bakalan Elementary School, Pasuruan City. Number 3, theoretical framework. To uncover problems regarding the textual teaching and learning or CTL learning model in PI learning at SDN Bakalan Pasuruan City, we can use important components that are in harmony with the finding in the part of the research focus, the aims and benefits of the research. So this research will use research method qualitative. In this study, our observation respondents were several administrators, teachers, and students of SD Negeri Bakalan Pasuruan City. In this study, our observation respondents were several administrators, teachers, and students of SD Negeri Bakalan Pasuruan City. By using qualitative method, the evidence obtained is more perfect, more abundant, confiding, and meaningful so that the research objective can be achieved. The use of qualitative method is considered effective in this study because it used their basic review, namely the problem of using the contextual teaching and learning or CTL learning model in PI learning at Bakalan Elementary School, Pasuruan is uncertain and leads to the circumstances of the individual holistically or intact, so that the subject of the study will not be reduced or simplified to the variables that have been arranged. Number 4, result and discussion. A. Planning of serial learning model in PI Learning at Bakalan Elementary School. Pasuruan City, this is by the planning of the serial learning model in PI Learning at the Bakalan State Elementary School. Pasuruan, which states that the main components in planning the serial learning model are as follows: syllabus, lesson plans, media and learning resources, student activity sheets, student books, and assessment. The teaching plan is the teacher must important tasks. The teaching plan is the realization of the student learning expression that has been set in the core activities in the lesson plans. Teachers are given the authority freely to analyze the syllabus according to the characteristics and condition of the school, as well as the ability to translate into teaching preparation, which is better known as RPP. The preparation of the lesson plans at the Bakalan State Elementary School. Pasuruan City was carried out by all teachers, one of which was for PI Learning. In class 4, the lesson plans were prepared and developed by class 4 subject teachers. The preparation of the lesson plans we developed based on the 7 CDL component in the core activities in PI Learning. Based on the result of the study, it can be concluded that a learning plan that is carried out by compiling learning tools will be more effective if it is start through plan to listen and listen to plans activities. This is because the plan to listen activities aim to prepare a complete lesson plan before being used by the teacher during the PI learning process. Listen to plan activities are used as a reflection of the PI learning process that has been implemented in class 4. In addition to the preparation of the syllabus and lesson plans, in the process of planning the CDL learning model for PI subject, school program planning is also carried out that can support the CDL learning model. At SD Negeri Bakalan, there are the same school program, namely number 1, classical short letter reading program and Duha prayer. These two school programs strongly support the CDL learning model because students can learn by direct practice about reading the Quran, reading and praying movement correctly and perfectly so that students can construct their knowledge of the subject matter. B. Implementation of the CDL learning model in PI Learning at Bakalan Elementary School. Pasuruan City, the requirement for the implementation of the learning process are: number 1, study group. The number of class 4 study group at SD Negeri Bakalan consists of 2 groups, each group consisting of 80 students and 20 students. So the number of study group in this study has met the criteria for the standard of the educational process. Number 2, minimum workload of PI teachers. In SD Negeri Bakalan implement a class teacher system starting from class 1 to class 4 by teaching PAI subject with a total of 24 hours of teaching hours per week. Textbook. Number 3, textbook. The textbooks used in SD Negeri Bakalan for PAI learning use PAI printed books lent by the school library to each student in grade 4. In addition to PAI textbooks, Bakalan Elementary School also use student exercise and activity books or SAAB, which are used to support the learning process when conducting experiment on PAI learning. For class Class management. At SD Negeri Bakalan in PAI Learning, PAI teachers always make changes to student learning activities once a week. The implementation of learning is the implementation of the lesson plans that have been made in the planning stage of the serial learning model in PAI Learning. At the Bakalan State Elementary School, Pasuruan City, the implementation of PAI Learning in Class 4 is initial activity, preparing students to take part in PAI Learning, attend students, and invite core activities in the core activities of 4th grade PAI Learning at SD Negeri Bakalan using the serial learning model that focuses on 7 components of serial learning, namely constructivist inquiry, asking, learning, community, reflecting, authentic assessment, final activities, concluding PAI subject matter, conducting reflection activities, carrying out assessment, conducting feedback activities, planning follow-up activities, assessment of serial learning models. In the serial learning model in PAI Learning at the Bakalan Elementary School, Pasuruan City, an authentic assessment consists of number 1, assessment of the affective domain, number 2, assessment of the psychomotor domain, and number 3, assessment of the cognitive domain. Besides on the finding of this study, internal factor originating from the teacher influence the implementation of the serial learning model in PAI Learning at SD Negeri Bakalan. These factors are related to the ability and knowledge of teacher about the implementation of the serial learning model, which is focused on the 7 components of serial. In addition of the teacher creativity factor in each teaching and learning process in PAI Learning also influence the implementation of the serial learning model at Bakalan Elementary School. The 5. Conclusion and recommendation. Conclusion. The substantive finding of the implementation of textual teaching and learning or CDL learning models in PAI Learning at Bakalan Elementary School Pasuruan are that number 1, learning planning carried out by compelling learning tools will be more effective if we start through the plan to listen and listen to plan activities. Listen to plan activities are used as a reflection of the PAI learning process that has been implemented in Class 4. Number 2, implementation of the textual teaching and learning or serial learning model in PAI Learning at Bakalan State Elementary School Pasuruan includes the requirement for the implementation of the learning process or which explain learning groups, the minimum workload of PAI teacher, textbooks, classroom management, implements of learning which explain the final activity assessment, explain attitude assessment, skill assessment, knowledge assessment. Recommendation: the abstract is able to represent the contents of the journal, must show the gap research and indicator in introduction.